Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Wix Site Search in the Wix editor. Navigate to your Wix site and open the editor from your dashboard. Click Add Apps on the left side of the editor. At the top of the Add Apps panel, you'll see a search bar. Type in Wix Site Search or just Site Search. The Wix Site Search app will appear in your search results. Select the app and click Add to Site. Wix will add a search bar to your site's header and create a new search results page. Next, configure which content types show up in search results. Navigate to the search results page in your editor, click on the search results element, then click Settings. In the Settings tab, click Show on Search. You'll see toggles next to different page types enable the ones you want searchable. Only the content types you enable here will show up when visitors search your site. If you want to reorder which results appear first, stay in the Settings tab and click Reorder. You can drag and drop the page types to reorganize them. This lets you prioritize certain content, like showing products before blog posts. Click the search bar in your site header, then click the design icon. You can adjust the size, color, font, and placement to match your site's look. For the search results page layout, click the search results element on the page, click Settings, then go to the Layout tab. Here you can set the menu alignment, adjust how many results display, and configure pagination. To customize the design of the search results page itself, click the search results element, click Settings, then go to the Design tab. You can customize the font and colors for the search bar, results menu, and results list. To configure search suggestions, the lightbox that appears as visitors, type Click Pages and Menu on the left sidebar, click Search Suggestions, then click the Search Suggestions element in your editor. Click Suggestion Settings and you'll see a toggle for Show Trending Items. Enable or disable it depending on whether you want trending searches to appear as suggestions. Once you've got everything set up, publish your site to test the search functionality on the live version. As visitors start typing, the search tool displays suggestions in real time. You can also view the search report in your dashboard to see what visitors are searching for over time, which helps you understand what content they're looking for. Thanks for watching.